Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is STRYI, the first Ukrainian manufacturer of professional tools for wood carving. And today, we're going to review our most popular set. Specifically, a set of 10 palm gouges. It comes in this plywood box, which also makes it a wonderful gift. And let's see what we have inside. Today, we'll take a detailed look at the contents of the set. We'll test how the tools hold up and how they handle both soft and hard woods, and discuss its applications in more detail. It's used for carving, and our customers also choose it for working with Linocuts. It has a very comfortable, ergonomic handle that fits easily in your hand. This makes the tool very maneuverable. The tool is shorter than our standard series, which makes it very convenient to use. So, this tool is often used for artistic carving, relief carving, and for more detailed work. So let's take a closer look at what's included in this popular set. So, we have 10 tools here, as you can see. Each is in its own slot. So what's included? This is a semi-rounded gouge, a palm tool. We have one semi-rounded gouge. Then there are the shallow ones. We'll go over each size in more detail now. Let's go in order. Let's look at the catalog right away. That'll be easier. This is Profile 9. Let's grab our catalog and open it right to the palm gouge section. And here we have Profile 9, 10 millimeters. This is the first gouge included in the set. As you can see, the handle is shaped this way to make it easy to maneuver while carving, so it won't get in your way when you're working on adjacent details on the wood. So, Profile 9. Width 10, 10 millimeters, a deep semicircle.